is pretty questionable. Let me just quickly share the live stream with all the community members. Make sure you do the same pretty much everywhere in all the trading groups that you guys are participating. And all the trading groups. No sound. Okay. Let me just fix it. What about right now? What about right now? You certainly want to see it. Thank you guys. Great. Sorry for that little issue, technical problem. What about the volume? Well, I think the volume should be good. From my side, the volume is pretty strong. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Look at that. We're about to test the trending resistance line we have here from the closing. And it has been respected so far. So I wouldn't underestimate this. I would not. Thank you guys. Thank you, Badger. I would not underestimate the importance of this rejection here. I'm watching another level, for example, this. I don't think we have any news today in terms of red folder news. Haven't seen anything pop up. Yesterday we had with the unemployment, but pretty strong downtrend here. We're 110 points away from the daily opening at the moment. Weekly opening is also higher. Today's high in between the weekly and daily opening. We just have to reclaim, so keep in mind, today 200 EMA for the 5 minute was the reference. Have a look into that. It's clearly confirmed, right? 200 EMA, purple line for the 5 minutes. That's the way the algo has been set up. If it remains like that, 628, 630s will not be that easy to cross. Let's see. We're going to trade our YRM, Lucid, and Top 1 futures. Savvy is pretty much everywhere. We're going to continue our trading as usually. Forcing for the breakout here. I'm not longing it here, even if the breakout appears. It's a level where the bears could actually step in pretty easily. So I don't want to long the possible top. Should have a much better setup. Even though the 5 minute candlestick we just established is very strong. Very strong. And it's not going to be easy to totally deny this. It's not going to be easy to totally deny this. 27,000 today. If today holds for 2 weeks, yeah. This is a situation that could be interesting. This one. We got into our long. We got into our long. right? So if it wants to continue, this is the time to
order filled,
to make the step forward. We're gonna see, guys. Look at that. If the breakout continues and confirms, this is a good time to test the waters. Well, 27,000 is still on the table, but it depends for what timing. Timing is the only thing which is not on the table. Adding 2 more contracts here.
order filled,
2 more for the Lucid as well. That's an interesting profit level. 614. 3 accounts copy traded, 150,000 Lucid Direct. Yeah. Not a bad suggestion, 2,000 points in a minute candle. Not a bad suggestion. Hopefully the market makers are here on board, reading the chat, and they act accordingly with the suggestions. What we get here is a little different. The selling pressure in the last 3 minutes reversed that possible breakout. So let's see how does the candlestick ends and if we get an acceleration downwards. But that's, you know, quite of a failure. Quite of a failure. Let's see. It's not yet confirmed. Welcome everyone. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. Good day. Welcome. Good day and welcome. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to sign up for the giveaway. That's the link right there. Yeah. We'll have to do one. Now, it's not a YRM Cup. We'll have to do one. Just like this. Wouldn't be a bad idea to have something like that. I'll go for a quick design. I don't like this continuation of the 5-minute we just got. Fully denied. 20 points, 15 points. Let's see how does the next 5-minute looks like. We pushed a little bit to the upside. We've actually showed some buying pressure and lack of acceptance. But that might not be the case.
order filled, order filled,
Have DCA'd a little more into this green candle here and in rejection right below. Let's see if we have the ability to funnel through. This is an interesting level. If the algo works, this is the place where a buying pressure should step in. We're going to find it out, guys. We're going to find it out. Just stick with me. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Appreciate it. We've got $175,000 share today.
order filled,
Added another position. We're sitting on 8 contracts here. One more for the YRM2. Take profit right there. Below the 600s. Take profit here on 605. We're good to go with this one. So we're set up. Oh my gosh, look at that 1 minute. It was looking so good, guys. It was looking so good. That's good. Trade the Momo. That's good. Certainly that's a good remark. The previous 1 minute candle was looking great at the time we were pushing. It's pretty slow here. You know, next year it's going to be 6 digits for... No, next year is going to be... If you're still somewhere around 250, 300, 350 is great. Yeah. It's breaking and it's continuing with the gold. Gold is breaking above today's high.
Order filled.
Grabbing 2 contracts
Order filled.
of this Ignite account here. And
Order
2 more
filled.
contracts on the other Ignite as well for the Tap 1 futures. We're quite exposed right now.
Order filled.
This one's on Tap 1 futures have $1,000 stop loss setup. This is the price I'd like to see if we could actually make the step forward above the 90s or... Yeah. I don't think we're going to have a bearish day. I think we're going to clearly clear this yellow trending line that is bothering me right now in my entries.
Order filled.
595 for my Tap 1 futures. You see, when you have a 10 seconds rule on a prop firm, you can utilize a specific segment of the market where it takes more time for the market to move to a specific level in terms of 7, 10, 12 points on the New York session. Could be 2 seconds, which is certainly not the case when it comes down to the London session. Right? Nah. Add
Order
another
filled.
contract to this. Added another
Order
contract
filled.
for the Tap 1 futures too. I think this is an interesting level from where we could actually reverse. Let's see, guys. But it's not easy. It's not easy. Rejection has been confirmed. I'd like to see a beautiful wick and then a continuation on top of that. That's lovely. That's lovely out here. That's a lovely 5-minute candle. Next one could actually continue with the pressure, bringing us all the way to 595 or even higher. Yeah. So if you got a mathematical game on your side, it's just about multiplying. Which means to keep purchasing and continue your journey. By purchasing, you're also exposing yourself to losses, but at the same time, you're exposing yourself to winners. If you got your percentage, and that's your average, which at some point could become a positive on your balance, then obviously it's a good game. Scaling and scaling, exactly. If you're buying 10 accounts that will produce you $5,000, just buy 20, 30, 40, and somehow you multiply basically the earnings as well. It's not going to be algorithmically extremely accurate. Like if 10 accounts brought me 5,000, 20 accounts will bring me 10,000. It's not like that. But there's some good averages in between. And you just have to find it out. Right, so the 1 minute candle we had. The next 5 minutes is needed, guys. And this one too, not too... I wouldn't say I'm pretty stressed here, but I don't like these numbers. The bleeding here, I don't like it. I don't like this bleeding here. Let me see, what can I do? I'm also going to long basically on my next 150k with the YRM. Right? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's... oh. Nah. You don't want to scare me out, don't you? You want to scare me out. This is the one I don't like. On a Lucid 150k direct accounts, we're not seeing a bad situation with the account. It's not at risk at all, but I like to advance and move, so it's so needed to connect today a 1,800. It's so needed. Stop loss on my entry here for this account. Could be leaning into a nice continuation. Come on. Raise the volume, guys. Raise the volume. Yeah, I mean, that's crazy with the YRM right now. I mean, you have 30 times basically the gap between the price you're paying and the payout. When you pay $44 and you're taking out a net 1,350, that's just insane. Like, cost 44 payout is, net payout is 1,350, right? That's 30 times, guys, for the YRM 50k challenge. 44 bucks with my code, no activation fee. 50% consistency. You know, at 600 I'm out here. At 601 I'm out from the other place. 593, this is going to be the first place we're going to hit a target if so. Looks decent for the moment. So you're requesting on the 50k account, which is costing 44 bucks, you're requesting 1,500. But the entire platform is 90 to 10 on the profit split. This is the place where the target is going to be hit. If we get to 94, 93. Good job, Destiny. Thank you. Well, first you have to pass your challenge, which is sitting at 6%. Good morning, Peter. So pass the challenge, which is sitting at 6%. And then you only need 10 days of $150 each, and you can request your payout. 10 days of $150 each. There is no other payout level. 3 accounts you can have actively at YRM. 3 accounts. Funded. Evaluations unlimited. So you can trade 5 evaluations at the same time, or 10 or 6, it doesn't matter. You can do copy trading between the evaluations and instant funded. Yeah. Exactly. And respecting the 20% consistency on the instant funded and 35. Let me look into 35 onto a past challenge. So challenge phase 50, past challenge 35. But on top of that, a lot of the people go for the instant funded, which, you know, 20% consistency, which is the industry standard, but then just $150 per day for 10 days. We've got quite a few guys already taking payouts from our community. And I'd like to do the same this month from the YRM. So yeah. Exactly, trade the Momo. Yeah, I trade $150,000 instant funded accounts. No equity stability score here. Only on the tap on futures. But I think they got rid of the equity stability score. I don't think there is equity stability score right there anymore. What's going on here, guys? We're still respecting that trending line so accurately. So accurately respecting it. So this is consistency, the instant funded. Equity stability score on the Sim Pro, correct. Sim Pro equity stability score 20%. Yeah. It's not a good deal, equity stability score. You better go normal consistency. Equity stability score is something else. They also count your losses as a positive number along with the profits. And that's how the highest day becomes. So your highest day with equity stability score is not just from your highest profitable, but your highest day is consistent from your highest profitable plus, as a positive number, your highest loss. Not on Ignite. Yeah, Ignite used to have it, and they changed it. Made it to 15%. Consistency is not an issue in terms of controlling your trades. Consistency is only a problem when you cannot allow your runners and your great trades to produce the amount of money they could be capable of producing, right? That's the problem. So the Lucid Flex is coming and it's solving this issue for the prop firm space, which is putting no consistency on the funded stage on the Lucid Flex accounts. No consistency, right? So if you have a day where you make $3,000, you can sit on that day and make the minimum in the rest and just cash out your money. Yes, you can lock yourself out. I can show you that. So you go to your dashboard area. You put your daily lockout. It's right here. Daily lockout in your dashboard area. Select the account from the top side and just go daily lockout and confirm it.
Order filled.
The break-even has been touched. I was remembering we had a trade here. We made zero money on it. But I remember we had a trade here. Did we touch the target? Yeah, we touched 556. We touched the profit there on that wick. 556, guys. We touched the profit there on that wick. I'll put a break-even here on this account. But the first target has been touched today for the Tap on Futures Ignite, $556. Let's go, guys. Come on. Boom. Let's go. We got our next targets for the Lucid. Very important to touch that 118.6. 1860. Give me that. 601. This is also a place where it wouldn't be bad to lock in some profits as well on this one. Who's going to win the giveaway today? I'd like to grab a new cup and holder. Come on. Look at that, guys. Look at that one, guys. We have been sweating for a reason. About to hit a target. Come on, bring me that 600. Bring me that 600. I am so hungry. Give me that. Give me that.
Order filled.
There you go. $1,825 here. $995 over there as well for the YRM. Lucid 150k. Big money made. There you go. Congratulations. Pretty much everywhere. Let's go, guys. Thank you so much. Boom. Make sure to like the video and be subscribed. We just made good money. $1,825 on 3 accounts. That's more than 5 grand. But this was an important day to connect my yesterday's 1,800s. Across the entire week, we've made money here. And you know these guys are expensive. The 150k Lucid direct accounts. They're expensive, but they're really valuable. You got a good drawdown. 617. $995. Look at that. $995 here. Let me look into our performance. Look at that. 7, 540, 995. 3 days. I'll try to do some 150 days. And see how it works. Maybe about 3 or 4 days of 150. Get to day number 7. You know, with the instant funded. These are instant funded for the YRM. You just need to do 150 bucks. So let me lock myself out here. That was it. That was it. 3 days, 2,235. I'm happy with that. Yeah. You want a big target on the 617 12 AC. Come on. You want a big target. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. Come on. We've got some lovely numbers out here. We've got some. Join our Discord as well, especially for those of you that are fresh. You certainly want to join our Discord. You certainly want to do it. I'd like to see if we could actually run for a bit of higher here. Run for a bit of higher. Beautiful, 165. That's it. I'm not going to push more. Just 165 profit. I'm not going to ask more from this. I'm going to even lock myself out. 165. You know, it's the second day here. Yesterday we made 1,000. Daily lockout, confirm. That's it. And we still have an account that is not looking that good. Let me share with you. We have 1,300 bucks to the max loss. So 1,300 bucks to the max loss. Is not considered a trading day if you earn below the 150 target. Correct. The $100 is going to stay in your account and you can cash it out. Yes. Which is why the program is lovely, guys. 614. You got your, looks like you get your 617. Did you got it? No. 2 ticks away from 617. We also touched the target on the other one, 544. So how many accounts did we actually traded? 2 on tap on futures. There's 2 Ignite accounts, 544 on one, 556 on the other. 3 copy traded on the Lucid. And 2 accounts for the YRM. 150k instant funded. Thank you guys. We're feeling great. We're feeling great. Opening my con tower, you know that's the big deal because we have the Lucid Flex there. And yesterday, no, it do not needs buffer. Lucid Flex is no buffer. Yeah. Lucid Flex is no buffer. No buffer on the Lucid Flex. Which I think it's changing its promotion soon, and I'm gonna update you guys. Yeah. Yes, you cannot request a payout without having on any size. It doesn't matter the size. For the YRM, it does not matter the size of the account. If you don't have 10 days of 150 bucks each, minimum, you can't request a payout. And that's crazy. For an instant funding account, which by the way with Scramble coupon code is giving you 50% instead of 40. And that's a difference of $90 per account times 3, which is the maximum you can have. It's 270 bucks extra. We've negotiated this price. So $450. You're paying $450 for $6,000 drawdown. End of the day model. 4,500 daily max loss, which is a soft breach. But keep in mind, you only need 150 bucks per day. So don't tell me 150 against 4,500 your daily max loss is something you cannot do. Obviously, you don't need to have those numbers as comparisons, but let's just look at the two extremities. 4,500 and 150. It's just crazy. You want to lose some money, Jordy? You should have... Yeah, extremely nice dashboard soon. Exactly. They're working on it. I saw some pictures, saw some images. It's going to be very nice. Yeah, well, Lucid Flex, when you become funded, is much better than an instant funded because you don't have consistency and you don't have a payout target. So if you're making $2,000, you can take your payout. If you're making $3,000, you can take your payout on any account size. Think about it. So probably we got to the 617 here. Or not yet. Just a one tick. Yeah, we got to 617 right now. Good job. You can actually lose. You can actually lose if you want. So in order to keep your consistency on track, you can actually lose. Oh, Maddie, that's good to know. I mean, that's good to know. That's good to know. We had a community member that just wrote us, or I think that guy was writing me on private, on a giveaway account. He just got a nice payout. You haven't received your account because you are utilizing multiple profiles, which is certainly not allowed, buddy. So you're going to get a timeout. Unfortunately, it is not allowed to be disrespectful and play games with our community. And you still come up and pretend that. You can't be having 6 accounts and trying to scam our community. 582 is not bad. Oh, it's not bad, but we have touched the targets big time. We drop profits daily. Usually, Papacito, that happens on a live environment. Live environments. Yeah, usually that happens on the live environments. So first you'd like to go through the simulated environments. Take the money and enjoy. Yeah. Welcome, guys. Good morning, everyone. The ones 6:30s daily VWAP here. Is it a daily or a weekly? Let's see. It's the daily we're touching right now. $6,916. Oh, this is an interesting place, guys, of a possible rejection. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. Let's bring it up. You know, I'm testing out a little short here. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. You're testing a little short. I'm out of it. We made $100. Yeah, well, if you're using Volumetric, it's very simple. You have a web platform. I can show you right now in 2 seconds. You got your web platform there for the Volumetrica, right? And then on the top right corner, you have a trade copier. Here. An integrated copy trader. And you want to create a new group. Just like this. Give it a name. Leave everything on default. Give it a parent account here. And then you give it a child account at the bottom. Right there. And you save it. And then you just want to click on it. This way. You want to click on it. And you want to activate it. You say start. Change its status, right? Click on it and click on start. And that's the way you do copy trading. No, I'm very happy touching the targets today. Very happy about it, guys. 2 accounts on YRM touched the targets. 3 accounts on Lucid Direct. 150k instant funded. These are very valuable. And 2 accounts basically for the Ignite. Yet I am actually wondering about the we have 4,100 bucks here on the Lucid Flex. I'd like to see what we can do and work on this Lucid Flex accounts. Oh, should have activated my copy trader. Let me just get out of this. Because we are trading it on 5 accounts. Beautiful. For Lucid, I use Project X, and then I use Quant Tower for the Lucid Flex. And I have 5 150k Lucid Flex accounts. You know, Top Snap could be a choice for some people. We're not trading it there. We're trading basically on YRM, Lucid, Tap on Futures, and Savius at the moment. Those are the best choices that we've got. That's a lovely move, guys. Stop loss and break even. It's just 2 contracts, but still decent money. We got 25 minutes to go. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. Let's bring up those numbers. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. These are the things you want to do for the giveaways. Let me just send you all the links. Discord too. You got everything. Scramble coupon code max discount available. We just touched the break even. Got in another entry here. You know, we still have to do 4,500 to pass the challenge. You got to do 6%. 6% on 150k is 9,000. But then think about 5 accounts no consistency, and no payout target is insane. To have such 5 accounts is insane, guys. So if you get to have 5 Lucid Flex of 150k, you're in the best situation possible. Stop loss on my entry. I'm adding to this. Let's go, guys. Come on. Make it bullish. Back to 630s. I'm so hungry. 5 minutes long. We gotta do it. If everything works smoothly, I'll try to do that 4,500 today. Trying to see if I can make 9,000 in 2 days on this 5 accounts. You know, I'm not gonna force it if things are not moving on my understanding. But still, I'll give it a chance. Is just to trade a minimum per day for 5 days. You don't have a goal in terms of a payout target. Depending on the account size, for example, the 150k is going to have $250 per day for 5 days. And you can take your payout afterwards. No consistency and no target. Just for 5 days, a specific amount of money depending on your account size. That's why it's very valuable. I'm out here. Beautiful, guys. $1,186 profit on 5 accounts. That's close to $5,600. Time to enjoy this. Yes. Boom. That was a good trade, guys. That was a good trade. Things are exploding today. We have a fireworks show. You know, simply I could actually call it a day. And you guys read what is it saying here? I got a cup here, but you know, we got to rebrand this, right? It's not a good brand what you see there. We got to rebrand this cup. It's not good. It's not a good cup, guys. Got to rebrand it somehow. No, we're gonna get a new one. It's not good, this one. Yeah. We'll get another one with the YRM. Obviously, it rejects. Obviously. Look at that, guys. Look at the chart here. Like these lines, I've stole them from the market makers. I'm a stealer. I've stole these ones from the market makers. I've hacked their system. And we got these 2 lines there. Making money today. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. No, we're joking. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. 165 on the stream. Watching. 97 likes. We gotta bring up the numbers. You cannot participate in the giveaway. I still want to make some more money on the Lucid Flex today. If my knowledge allows me. Good morning. Good to see you, buddy. Red Candles. Come on. Great to have you on board. Welcome, guys. Thank you so much for joining. So, quickly recap. 1,100 on the 5 Lucid Flex. Then, 1,800 on 3 copy traded. Lucid 150k direct instant funded. We are hitting the targets. 2 accounts to profit, hitting the target for the YRM on 150k instant funded. And 2 targets on the Tap 1 futures, $500. That's the current situation. No losses, no daily losses, no problems. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Let's have a look into the 15-minute. We're going to trade Savius today, and I've arranged for you a promotion starting by Monday, right? Yeah, it's not a bad idea with a gold number. We're going to talk about Savius, but probably from Monday. Great to see you. Great to have you on board, Red Candles. Come on. It's now an easy level here between the 30s and the 50s. We're packed up with pressure. Still want to trade this account. And I'm still going to trade my Lucid Flex. No, it didn't update. My profit score has not been updated yet on Ticktick. You know, I've reached out to support, but things are pretty messed up there. So they requested time. That's it. Unfortunately. Got to take my $10,000 payout, but that point needs to be updated. Yeah, their end of the day update is not working for the moment for most of the people. So the profit score on the system is having some issues. Pretty strong double top coming through with a rejection. I'm not sure about this level, guys, but certainly I'm not going to long it here. We got 15 minutes to go and the market opens. Yeah. Hey. Now that's a good to hear, Red Candles. Good to hear about it. You're gonna make it. Come on. You know, it's gonna be updated even in my case, not a problem. I'm not worried about the update. I'm actually worried about, in a positive way, I would say, worried about the future of the company. You gotta be worried when it's going on like the way it's going on. You gotta be worried. So I wouldn't say I'm comfortable with the situation around the Ticktick trader. Not that comfortable. I would actually help them with informations, with things people need. People would like to have as services people enjoy usually. The type of services, the model of payouts, this kind of things. I could help them. They don't really have a data feed right now. They're working on it. So they have to restructure their business. Which is why approximately for 2 months, sales are stopped. Thank you, Red Candles. Well, they got problems with trading platforms. They need to find some solutions out there for the trading platforms and data feed. Project X is going to be gone in February. There's no more Trade-of-8 for them. They used to have Ninja and TradingView. I wouldn't say payouts stopped, but payouts are very, very slow. Some people got paid, but total different model right now. Yeah, well, people got paid from YRM. Yeah, people got paid from YRM, so it's legit. A lot of the people use it from our community. We got there, you know, about 300 to 350 traders using it already. So you know, they don't have that time to create for the next 2 months. They have to use with existing things from the market. They don't have time in 2 months to create that. Yeah, it's very slow. It's an interesting level. We had a previous supply here. Could give us something. Or we come all the way down to 578, 77, retesting the line we broke. Let's see. How is this candle going to close? And then we still have 10 minutes to go when the market opens. Not hiring for the moment, thank you. Good morning, welcome guys, thank you so much for joining. We've got giveaways today. We're sharing $175,000 in accounts, some instant funded other challenges from multiple prop firms, actually from 3 prop firms. And of course, some nice chat with our community. Yeah, YRM are active since July. Pretty fresh company. But I do have videos about them on my channel, like the complete review, a video as trading rules, and another video with a strategy of making money. So 3 videos about this company. Made in New York City since July, a unique model for the payouts, no target for the instant funded or challenges. When you get funded on the challenge, no target, just 10 days of $150 each as minimum. That's a lovely reaction, guys, from previous supply we talked about. Look at that. Previous supply, current support, nicely adjusting into demand. There's 10 minutes to go. I was afraid longing that level. I was afraid longing it because a much better opportunity was pretty close to me right below. So the cost of opportunity was high, and I was afraid taking it. Thank you, I appreciate it. Yeah. Close to 4,400. We look into the 4 hours. Now, actually look into the daily. Oh, look at the gold, guys. The way it has recovered is very, very powerful. Very powerful. I'm going to repeat that. So you have this period with an exponential behavior. And you're capable of creating this high, right? This one that I got 3 arrows on. If you're capable of doing that high, without retracing below this level, so something like this, you are bullish. You made that specific high with my 3 arrows and you did not retrace below the previous structure low. This one, it is clear power. So obviously, market makers depends what they want at 4,400s. But for the moment, it looks strong. So we would still be bullish by touching the purple line 200 EMA on the daily and staying above it, right? So at 3,600, you would still be bullish, guys. Incredible. Something that delivered is an indicator you guys need to set it up. Look at the red line and tell me if you know something more accurate than the red line. Looks like handcrafted. Dynamic swing anchored volume weighted average price by Zeyerman. Let me just give you the link. About a script. Here's the link from TradingView. Look at that one, guys. Leave it on default. This is the way it's set it up. Swing period 50, adaptive price tracking 20. I gave you the link in the chat, guys. You can read more about it. Back to the Nasdaq. I was looking at it on the daily. Daily 4 hours are highly meaningful. But you can adjust basically, you can utilize it. You certainly want to see that the market is responding to it. So in other words, the algos are validating the line at that specific moment. If you go for the 5 minute or 1 minute, you certainly want to see a validation. Simply, just because an indicator exists is certainly not validating that it is right now under control. So just because it exists, we don't have to use it, and it's certainly not right or functional every single time. The markets are responding in a dynamic way to different things. So this week responses or today's responses are not going to be the same like tomorrow's responses. Our job is to recognize the place of responsiveness and the source of responsiveness. That's an interesting reaction we had here on the 5 minute right now with the 5 minute algo, but I'm not going to trade, guys. That's good. Less than 5 minutes to go. I still want to trade my flex and I still want to trade this account. I could call it a day on my flex. We have 1,200. So I'm going to be between these two things. I'll try to go for the 4,500 on my flex. But I'll still keep in mind if the performance goes negative. TradingView, I know about it on TradingView. So I sent you the link. You certainly want to use that link from the chat right here, guys. Yeah, well, I could do something, right? I could, for example, allow the break even of the account, so we're risking to give away the profits we made today, or trying to go for 4,500, make some more, actually 3,400 extra. You know, I enjoy taking risks. Let me see, we touched an interesting level here. I'm giving a shot. We touched an interesting level. I'm giving a shot. A single contract. Oh, look at that. Look at that candlestick, guys. This is Quant Tower with Lucid Flex. We have a single contract here. And there is 2 minutes to go. Let me share with you something on the chart. Look at that one, guys. Look at this one. You don't want to underestimate. So we got the red line, previous resistance, transforming into support. And we have a nice flat demand on 570s. 1 minute to go for the opening. I'd love to see the price action back into 620s, 40 points from here. We're going to set a limit order here. And another limit order. Market open soon. 10 seconds to go. We might get into today's low and the market opens. Best of luck, guys. We might revisit all the way into today's low. Not touching it for the moment. Not touching it for the moment. Even though wouldn't be a bad idea to DCA. Nah. We made a new low, guys. And that might be the theory. Making a new low. And then taking it all the way back into 593, 600s. That might be the theory. Got into another contract. We have DCA'd here. Sitting on 3 minis. It's not bad, right? 593. or 619. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Come on. No break even yet. I don't want to be tricked out. We're trading our Lucid Flex accounts, 150k. No DCA. We could only DCA here if we do DCA on a 535. But otherwise, no DCA higher. It's an interesting situation here. Still not going to DCA. Having 3 minis on the opening is not a bad idea. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Are we going to set a stop loss and break even? I think yes. Gotta do it. About breakouts, so if it reverses, might break the lows. I don't want to be part of that. Stop loss and break even. Let's leave it for a runner. Give me that strong 618. Once we clear the 580s, it's gonna look good. Right, so if we get to touch break even, I'm not gonna touch this account today anymore. Otherwise, we're trying to see how we adjust and make some money. If we make 4,500, guys, we're gonna pass 5 Lucid Flex 150k. Think about it. And that's insane, right? That's going to be insane if we pass the 5 Lucid Flex 150k in 2 days. Come on. Adding to this one here. And putting the stop loss and break even. Keep going, buddy. 617 for my 4,500 exit. Yeah, I'll secure a little more once we have a bit of a buffer here. Come on, guys. If we reject once again, I'm not going to enjoy that, and I'll sell 2 contracts if we reject once again here. It's good for the moment. Come on, bring me that pressure. Bring me that pressure, extra liquidity. Bring me that extra liquidity here. Come on. We got you. Not selling anything for the moment. Because we're pretty close, guys. We're pretty close to the final target. We're pretty close to the final target. Pretty close to 4,500 totally. I just sold a contract. One contract, so it secures something. Let's see, what are we capable in this candle? Keep going higher. Looks pretty good. If this candle that is live right now, if this one becomes red, I'm selling 2 contracts there. 2 contracts out. I'm fully out. 4,367. 4,367 totally. We have 8,538 bucks in the balance, and the target is at 9,000, right? So, guess what? Celebration time, guys. Celebration time all the way. Ho ho! We didn't touch the needed target, but we're close to it. Boom! Look at that one. Look at that one, guys. Oops, no opening bell. But thank you so much, guys. Make sure to like the video. Look at that. That was a lovely one, right? 4,367 on a Friday. We have 8,500, so time to call it a day. Time to call it a day here. I'm not gonna force it to get in a emotional spiral effect or something like that. No. Big money. That's big money, guys. This is the Lucid Flex accounts. Yesterday we made 4,500. Today 4,400. 500 bucks more. You know, I'm watching it, but I'm not touching it. Good. Very good, actually. So satisfied. Incredible. Much better than actually expected to be today. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Now, we're just gonna lock in big time. We've longed the markets there. You certainly want to see the live stream on a replay. You certainly want to get there. So basically we need around $500 more. 500 or 600 bucks, that's it. But we're not gonna do it today. Make sure to like the video, guys. We're about to start the giveaways quite soon. I'm actually at the peak. I'm actually at the peak of my performance today. No losses, no stop losses, no accounts lost. Nothing on the red side. That's 4,500 on 5 accounts. That's like $22,000. Plus, good money made on the Lucid Direct accounts as well. Target. Trading software is Quantower. Quantower for Lucid Flex, which is connected through the Ninja. Not Ninja, sorry, Rhythmic. Yeah, great profit everywhere. Whoa. We got an aggressive move here. We got an aggressive reversal here. You know, in this account, I like to... I'm shorting it here, one contract. I like to do that 150 bucks maybe here. Put a take profit there. $250 profit, good. Yeah, 250 here. It's enough here, right? We made money on all the accounts. 250 here. 995 on this one. And 165 here. Because the target is 150 bucks per day. So I just wanted to make sure we got that. All the three profitable on YRM. All the three instant funded of 150k. Then all the three profitable on Lucid Direct. We traded two guys on Top 1 Futures. Ignite, both profit. That's it, guys. Lucid Flex, all the five. That's it for today. That's it for today. That's it for today. We're calling it a day. I don't think I ever had a day like this on the live stream without losses. I mean, I still have the savviest accounts, but I don't think I have the ability right now and the mood to get out there and risk 300k accounts. No, I just want to close my day at a top. You know, you need to know when to stop and when to retire, guys. We're gonna spin the wheel. Big money out there. Unforgettable day, guys. Thank you so much. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Thank you for joining. Scramble coupon code pretty much everywhere. Knowing when to stop saves. Exactly. Exactly. Knowing when to retire also saves you, saves your career. That's lovely. What's next? Well, let me see how many people have joined. And then we get to the wheel. And then we get to the ducks as well. Because we got a lot today. 192 have joined. Alright guys, so time for some excitement. Time for some excitement out there. Can you guys hear me right now? All the indicators are free. These are the indicators I got. You will be able to pause the live stream on the replay and watch the indicators. And I can also share with you one by one in the next stream on Monday. Beautiful, guys. So, thank you, guys. We had an amazing day. Thank you so much. Now, how to participate, how to join. Obviously, you got to be part of the forum. Then everyone needs to like the video. This is absolutely mandatory. Join the Discord as well. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. Daily with educational materials, lovely community, great trading, and giveaways every single day. So that's where we are. Now, we're going to share in the first giveaway 3 accounts. Top 1 Futures, 25,000. End of the day drawdown, instant funded. Second, 25,000 Simpro. Third, 25,000 Ignite. Right, so this is This is the structure. First account, 25,000 end of the day drawdown, instant funded. Second account, 25,000 Simpro, instant funded. And the third account is 25,000 instant funded Ignite account for Tap 1 Futures. We're going to share 3 accounts in this giveaway. That's going to be 75 grand. You want to pay attention to the way we organize the numbers. There will be 10 zeros. 1 number 2, 1 number 1, and 1 number 3. Right? So again, 10 zeros, 1 number 1, 1 number 2, and 1 number 3. You can start right now. 10 zeros, and then just a single number from 1 to 3. Let's go, guys. Come on. We should be back. We should be reconnected. We should be back. We just got reconnected. We had a moment when things were off. Yeah. Stream stopped for a moment. My connection turned off. We had to rig the system to pedal in the meantime. That's why. So stop right there. I think Badger got the stop message. I think the message went through. Great. So let's just shuffle them. This way, guys. This way. Look at that. So we're having a number 1, number 3 there. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck. Certainly. I just went off a little bit, guys. But I'm quick, you see. I got experience in putting together things to make sure this is going to be rigged. But that number 1 on the blue, what do you guys think about? I don't think it's going to come. No. It's just going to be the red 0 right there. Congratulations for the winners. Once in a while, it's not rigged. Congratulations for the winners. But you were so close to call it a rigged with that number 1 right there. I was in danger. I was in danger. Congratulations for the winners. We got this on the 0. I think we're going to have more than 100 players. $103. Well, could have been more. 103. Competing for 2 minutes. You will compete for 2 minutes, guys, for this account. Keep in mind, we're sharing 3 accounts. Best of luck, everyone. Well, there is a lot here to swim. Look at the 1 billion trader. There is a lot to swim. Don't worry about it right now. Just get back when there is 15 seconds to go. Yeah. They're gonna be slammed when I hit the paddle. I'll sink it. Look at the AD, for example. Wanna take him back? ICT, you wanna go back from there? ICT. Should I hit the stop loss? Oh my god. Look at that. I think this is responding to an audio voice or audio command or something like that. You're no longer on the screen. You just disappeared, man. You're no longer on the screen. I think this is responding to an audio command or something like that. Oh my god, look at that. 10 seconds. Who's gonna come back right now? Mike's gold. Unicorn. Get down. Who's speeding up? Mr. Smith. But there's more. Mr. Smith got it. Look at the names we got here. Mukol. Mr. Smith. Congratulations, and the next ones too. Let's just verify the winners. Let's just verify the winners. Come on, quickly, right? We're gonna zoom in. Are you here? Mr. Smith? Are you here? Where is Mr. Smith, guys? Where is Mr. Smith from the list? We're going to the next one. Not on the list. Didn't sign up for the giveaway, buddy. You should have signed up for the giveaway. Mukol. Mukol is here. Congratulations. You got to sign up. Mukol, you got this. You have another email. You need to have the username of your YouTube, as the instructions say. No. Yeah, well, having multiple accounts is not a choice. I do agree with you, but it's not a choice. Right, so the first one is going to Mukol. Nishi, let's find it out. Are you here? Of course are you here. This is the second account, goes out to you, Nishi. Congratulations. Nishi is here, taking the second account, which is... you don't need to have the same email. You need to put your YouTube username on the form and follow the instructions, otherwise we cannot verify you. And then we're going to take Mike's gold. You see, being ranked number 4 is still not a bad point, guys. Mike's gold there. Are you here, Mike's? Yes, you are. Congratulations, Mike's. Congratulations. Good job. Good job. So, Mukol taking 25k, end of the day drawdown. Nishi taking Simpro 25k, and Mike's taking 25k Ignite account, all instant funded from Tap On Futures. We are continuing with the next giveaway. And we're changing the structures of the numbers. The second giveaway will be 50k Lucid Pro. 50k Lucid Pro. Let's just think about the way the numbers are gonna be. So we're gonna do 10 number 7s, and 5 zeros. 10 number 7, 5 zeros. You can start right now. Best of luck, everyone. For those of you that have joined fresh, make sure to like the video, sign up on the forum if you got time. Like the video, be subscribed. So 10 number 7 and 5 zeros. Are you going to go against the odds? What are the odds? How do we define the odds here? From what perspective? Alright. So you enjoy gambling. I should have put a single 0, right? I should have went for a single 0. Yeah. But you know, when we have so many alternatives, like 5 zeros, there's going to be some competition there too. I think there's more than 30, 40. Do not expect to be kind of alone. I think, yeah, there's more with 0. Alright, so stop right there. Stop right there, no more guesses, it's over. We're gonna shuffle this in an interesting way. This way. Right, so we've got two zeros here. That's, you know, spread pretty well, right? Best of luck, everyone. This is the giveaway number 2. We had our first giveaway giving out 3 accounts of Top 1 Futures. So we already did a giveaway. Look at that one. I think that's... Could be the green 0, guys. Could be the green 0 between 3, 7. Could be the green 0. I think the paddle works right now. We got it oiled up. Look at that. Want me to break? Got no choice. I told you you're not going to be alone with the zeros. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations. $90. We actually have 90 people. Oh my god. We actually have 90. 90. Going for the 0. 2 minutes competition time. It's insane. Yes, you have to join the forum every single stream, because each forum is dedicated to the stream we do at that time. Unique. There's more people gambling for the minimal numbers. Next time I'm just gonna go with a single special number. No worries, next time you are informed. $90 winners with a zeros? Do we have a 000 today? So even the next giveaway is gonna be about zeros. We'll do the YRM next time. 50k. A single 50k account for the YRM. $40 seconds to go. Keep running. MIP 67. Good swimmer, especially as 2 minutes. So you gotta be a good swimmer. How you doing, Martin? Well, you don't want to be at the top right now because I push the pedal and I stop people out. Who's trying to lead right now is going to be stopped out by the pedal. For example, the red duck. Danny. Ayala. I'll hit the pedal, Ayala. We got duck puck. Look at that. We got duck puck. With a punk duck. We got duck puck coming from the top with a punk duck. Look at that. You actually said it at the beginning. You got no accounts to trade and hope to win. So there you go. That's how your wishes come true. That's how your wishes come through. Congrats, brother. You actually said it. No accounts to trade, but you're going to be out here with us having a great time. Look at that. No, indeed. You can nicely celebrate. Good job. Good job, buddy. So you got your Lucid. But time to move to the third giveaway. And see how we can change the numbers around. I see you guys enjoy gambling. So let me think about something. We're going to do the following thing. 1 number 1. 2 number 2. 3 number 3. 4 number 4. 5 number 5. And 2 zeros. This is the format. Look at a format and pick your number. $50,000. You can start right now. $50,000 YRM. So 1 number 1, 2 number 2, 3 number 3s, 4 number 4s, and 5 number 5 with 2 zeros on top. That's where we are. Come on. We just got double zeros today on both giveaways, so do not dare to betray your zero. It's there, the double zero. You know the American roulette with the double zeros? It always hits you. It always touches you. We had an extremely profitable day. $50,000 YRM prop firm. Stop right there. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. No more guesses. It's over. Let's just shuffle them. This way. This way is pretty good. Best of luck, everyone. Good luck, guys. Could it be that green 0 or the 1 number 1? What do you guys think about? I mean, should I press the pedal to that point? Nah, it's going to be the number 3. I don't have gas. I don't have more. It's going to be the number 3, guys. At least we brought it here to a place. You're sweating a bit. No more gas today. We gave it away on the markets. Big money pretty much everywhere. Congratulations for the winners. We got this to the number 3. Look at the Nasdaq. It's dying. Great. Congratulations for the winners. 32, number 3. You guys will compete for a single minute. Best of luck, everyone. He's not here, your brother. He's sleeping. Yes, this is the last one. 75 grand on top 1 futures, and then 100,000 between Lucid and YRM. 175 today. 25 seconds. What if the pink ducks win from the top? How do you pronounce it, guys? From the pink duck. 5 seconds. Susanna with a doctor. Yeah, we got this one. Massimiliano Bellucci speeding up and taking the lead. Maddie right there. Pretty close, Maddie. Congratulations. Good job, winners. Look at that. Yeah, thank you, guys. Thank you, ICT. Good job. Good job. Congratulations for the winner. You got this. Thank you so much, guys. We had an incredible Thursday and Friday, so we got back into streaming and trading really well. Hoping to keep up the same power and pressure within the next 2 or 3 days. Certainly we need a good pressure within the next 2 or 3 days, so probably until Thursday and Wednesday. If we keep it like this, we're gonna get into an extremely comfortable positions for strong payouts. Right, so thank you so much, guys. You're welcome. Thank you so much for being with me. Looking forward to it on Monday. We're continuing. We're having a great time. If there's going to be video posted, you want to check that out on my channel. Probably I'm going to prepare something for you guys for Lucid. I might prepare something for Lucid, some nice strategies. Enjoy your weekend. Relax. Take it easy. We had a lovely time of the week. Thank you once again. Looking forward to it on our Discord. Stay safe.